Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a smoothie using a blender. First, gather your ingredients. Start with 1 to 2 cups of your favorite fruits, fresh or frozen. Next, select a liquid base, typically 1/2 to 1 cup of milk, water, or juice. Don't forget optional additions like a scoop of protein powder, a tablespoon of chia seeds, or a few ice cubes for extra chill. Having everything ready makes the blending process smooth and quick. Now, let's get blending. Always add your liquid to the blender first. This helps the blades move freely. Next, add softer ingredients like fresh fruit or yogurt. Finally, pile in your frozen fruits and any ice cubes. Secure the lid firmly. Start your blender on a low setting to break down larger pieces, then slowly increase to a higher speed until everything is smooth and creamy. This layering prevents air pockets and ensures even blending. Achieving your desired smoothie consistency is simple. If your smoothie is too thick, add a small amount of liquid, about 1/4 cup at a time, and blend again. For a thicker smoothie, incorporate more frozen fruit or a few extra ice cubes. Remember to blend briefly after each adjustment to thoroughly mix and check the texture. This iterative process ensures your smoothie is just right, whether you prefer it spoonable or drinkable. Your delicious homemade smoothie is now ready to enjoy. Pour it into your favorite glass right away to savor its fresh taste and nutrients. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a few fresh berries, a mint sprig, or a sprinkle of granola. It's a quick, healthy, and satisfying treat perfect for any time of day. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.